Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we actually just got home from Portugal yesterday, and if you guys didn't know, I will put up my Instagrams, but when I was there I decided that I wasn't going to eat keto, and obviously I am paying for it now. Like with my stomach, I feel like I'm like 2 months pregnant and I am breaking out and I just don't feel good. I have headaches. So now that we are back in the UK, I'm going to go ahead and get back on track, and hopefully my life will come back together again, just because I feel like I totally threw a wrench in my plans. So it happens. I couldn't go to Portugal and not try their local foods. I wouldn't do that. So, you know, it is what it is, but I am very excited to be back on keto now and to start eating all my meats again, because I feel like when we were there, it was just lots of carbs and I just want a whole plate full of meat. So we are cleaning up today, organizing. I am currently making some bacon. So trying to get myself back onto the path of ketosis and to get back where I need to be. So this morning I will show you what I ate, or what I'm about to eat. So I'm currently frying up some bacon just for us to snack on. So I have like 5 pieces over here. This is just for me and Bubs for something to eat. And then this morning I actually tried the Omega Power Creamer. So they sent this to me. This is basically butter coffee made easy. It has no carbs, 14 grams of fat, and basically you just put it in there with your regular coffee and it gives you all that good fat that you need, but without the hassle of like measuring or chopping up your coconut oil, which is what I used to do. And so far this is delicious. So this is the vanilla kind, but I know they have chocolate. And then they have original also. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I stopped bulletproof coffees just because they really hurt my stomach, and I really had to go to the bathroom afterwards, and I just was very uncomfortable. They just weren't sitting with me after a while. So I had a little bit of that. All you need is a tablespoon for all those grams of fat, and I feel completely fine. So far so good. I'm going to reach to the company and see if I can get a discount code for you guys, so it'll be down below if I manage to do that. That would be awesome. But yeah, so far so good. I will leave an update down below if I'm feeling any kind of different way after I've been using them for days, but so far so good. Okay you guys, so here is our plate of hot and spicy grilled chicken and the barbecue ribs. Then over here is also asparagus. If you're not sure about grilling asparagus, just put it in the oven until crispy with some sea salt and pepper. So that is mostly our main courses. I'm just gonna make some halloumi, and then that's gonna be our meal. Okay you guys, so I'm going to start showing you what I'm making Mariah for dinner. So we have these mixed herb chicken breast slices. They're just like sliced cold deli meat. So I put it on her plate, and then I have a little bit of chicken and bacon pasta. Chicken and bacon pasta, yeah. Just from like the deli, and then I gave her a little bit of avocado. So pretty healthy dinner, but it's still like light and cool and refreshing for the summer because it is super hot here and we don't have AC. So this is Mariah's dinner. So I'm not that hungry, and I had a big chicken salad for lunch. So this is just what I'm gonna have for dinner. I have some halloumi right here, a piece of asparagus, and then just like a half an avocado with salt and pepper. And this is gonna be my dinner. Guys, what is up? Haven't talked to you for a little bit, so I just thought I would come on and say hi. I just got home from work. I believe today's the 10th of July. It's a Tuesday. But you know, since we got back from Portugal and I'm putting together that vlog footage, and I realized that I kind of just like compile like my weekly, sorry you probably hear Moana, my weekly keto videos. But you know, I've been struggling with cravings lately and trying to get back on strict keto. And on social media, like a whole bunch of you guys are at the same place that I am, is that we're just trying to get back to a strict weight loss, like kick-ass routine. So I'm right there with you, girl. We just have to power through. I am about to do my workout right now. I have a frozen rotisserie chicken defrosting for dinner. So we're gonna keep grinding, you guys. We have to make it through this. It is just a weird time right now because it's summer and it's socializing time, but we have goals and we are doing this. Tonight for dinner is something really simple and delicious. This is a ready to cook garlic and herb like rotisserie chicken. So it's just frozen and it's already pre-seasoned, and all you have to do is pop it into the oven. So this will be our main with just some avocado and halloumi for dinner tonight.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes
Hey you guys, this is Mariah's dinner. This is sweet potato fries, and this is some leftover hot and spicy chicken drumsticks. It doesn't really taste hot and spicy, it just has a good flavor for it. So this is what Mariah is eating tonight. So here is what the rotisserie chicken looks like when it comes out of the oven. It is perfectly golden. And then here is the asparagus I just threw in because I didn't want it to go bad in the fridge. And so I just put it in there with some garlic infused olive oil, sea salt, and pepper. And then it's basically an easy dinner. here is my dinner tonight. I'm having 4 jalapenos stuffed with cream cheese wrapped in bacon, 2 asparagus, and then I just tore off some pieces of that rotisserie chicken. But that's it.
Okay guys, here's what I'm having. 4 jalapeno poppers, 2 things of asparagus, and
yeah. Hey you guys, so it's a random, I think Thursday. It's a Thursday afternoon. And I don't film my meals on Monday or Wednesday because I'm at school, but I just thought I would show you the easy keto dinner that I threw together tonight. Don't judge me, it is a easy, delicious meal. So these are Angus beef hot dogs, and they have 1 carb per hot dog. And then I just put together some, I boiled some broccoli and I salted and peppered it and buttered it. And this is what the whole fam is having tonight. So just an easy meal, and it's probably pretty cheap too, super affordable.